Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox a mixed lot of cars, like a really mixed lot of cars, not just one brand or two brand. So let me just show one by one. So I picked three Majorettes first of all. So let's start with this one. So this is actually older Majorette, not the newer one. So this one I bought during 2023, when people never even worried about or even never even bothered about Majorette. So I bought this for 349 at the time. You can see that year here, Jan 2023. So I bought this for 349, which is the MRP at that time. So I will be unboxing this one. I do have 2023 castings a lot in both Majorette and Hot Wheels. I will be unboxing those soon. So let's go to the next one. So this is a Volvo EX90, and this one looked really nice, so I bought it. And I don't have any, I do have Volvo in my collection. You can see over there the white one. So but I don't think it is the same one. I don't, it does look similar, but I'm not sure. Okay, anyway, we will unbox this one. Okay, like I mentioned, this is a 2025 version. So this is 399. They increased the price 50 rupees more, maybe because of the GST in India. So right now the GST has been slashed. I'm hoping Majorette will come back with older price like 349 or so. So okay, the third one in the Majorette, which is this one, the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7. I did unbox Carrera sometime back, if I'm not wrong. I do have a Carrera lot actually. I have it in very, so many liveries when it comes to Majorette. And I do love Majorette liveries a lot because they go with a specific theme or something like that, and it really looks different. So I bought this as well. So this is also this year's casting. So or this year's release. So it is 399. So I think I do have all of this casting, but maybe in different liveries. So even the GT3 Cup, I'm not sure whether I have this. I need to check. But these two are same, so we do have this. Panamera Turbo, I think I unboxed. I do remember this I unboxed. This also I did unbox in a limited edition. So that was the first limited edition I unboxed. So till now that is the last one as well. I do have limited edition others as well, like the rest four in that set when it came during 2023. Okay, so here it comes here. These are going to be something different for this particular week. So yeah, here it is. So this I just showcased in the charts, I think today, if I'm not wrong. So this is by Maisto, and this is, I came to know this is a Walmart exclusive. As you can see here, this is a 2023 one. So this one is mentioned as Slow Rider 64. I think this is a Chevy. So I do have a lot of Chevy and Ford castings, but I don't know Slow Rider is a part of Chevy. I need to check that one because they don't have any, the manufacturer logo here on this. But this looks really cute. I mean, so I don't know why people are not giving much importance to my stores and Muscle Machine or this kind of series, because those looks amazing even compared to Mini GT. They recently did that. The Mini GT one looks stupid, to be very honest with you guys. Maybe if you guys are a fan of Mini GT or something, then maybe you guys might like it. But personally, I like the Maestro Muscle Machines one because they did it in all different forms. They did it with openable parts, like I showcased in the shots. That one is the openable part one. Let me show you that real quick. Here is the one. So this one is, it actually has openable parts. You can see the packaging itself. It looks so beautiful, and you can see it here. You can open the hood. You can open the doors. So Muscle Machines has different, how I can say, serious. I mean, inside Muscle Machine there are different categories. This is the one, and I do have that black editions, couple of Countach and all. Sorry, Countach and couple of Nissan, and the older Muscle Machines which I unboxed. No, I didn't unbox. I did review in my channel because I bought that during 2015 or 2016. So that time I didn't had any channel, so I reviewed that in my channel. You can see that under my store. Those was so amazing, the liveries and everything. Even the ones here, these are not Muscle Machines, but those are also my store only. Those are so cool. I did unbox those as well. You can see it in my channel. So let's move on to the next one, which is this one. I think I do have one more Johnny Lightning apart from this. So I really wanted to at least unbox one in this set. I mean, by this manufacturer. So thought of, I recently bought this one, so I thought of unboxing this. And I think this has openable parts here. The detailing looks really good. I need to actually see how this one looks. And last but not least, this. So this is the light up Starship Enterprise, and this is from the original series, original Star Trek series. I am a fan of Star Trek, so yeah, live long and prosper. So with that said, stay tuned for this week's unboxing, guys. So I'm pretty sure, I'm hoping that you guys will love the variety I'm bringing to the table instead of just unboxing Hot Wheels every week. So I'm excited to unbox this and this so much, because Majorette we already know those are really good, but these three I really want to see how these three are. Okay, thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.